Hi, this is Lawrence Wilson for Online Learning Central here in Silicon Valley. I have a new program I'd like to share with you to help you advance your career opportunities and boost your earnings and income potential. This is a new Microsoft Cloud workshop specifically on OSS PaaS, Platform as a Service, and DevOps. Now, the particular Microsoft program designation is MS-40533. This particular program is very much focused on application implementation of applications within a Microsoft Azure cloud environment. And everything is geared in and around a complex but very valuable case study. Now, the program itself is structured into two training modules. First, an online whiteboard solution session in OSS PaaS and DevOps, which includes review of the customer case study, design a proof of concept solution, as well as your presentation of your solution for this particular case study. The second module in the program is a hands-on lab, which will allow you to basically implement in a test environment, of course, your solution for this case study, which includes running a starter application, migrating the database to Cosmos DB, containerizing the application, setting up web app for containers, configuring CI/CD pipeline, along with create Azure function for order processing, and finally create logic app for sending SMS notifications from this app to your clients. So to learn more about this valuable training program and how it can help you advance your career in the cloud architecture and design environment in general, but specifically in a Microsoft Azure context, simply click on the link below our video. Our website, as always, has all the course details, the curriculum, as well as details on how you can enroll today and get started advancing your career in cloud architecture and Microsoft Azure. This is Lawrence Wilson for Online Learning Central. As always, I wish you much success